Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to unveil a real game changer for artists. Legion Paper's new artist panels featuring 5 of Legion's best drawing and painting papers adhered to aluminum. Stonehenge, Stonehenge Aqua, yes, including the black, Stonehenge Oil, and Yupo. Available in 5 sizes from 5 by 7 up to 16 by 20. Let me break it down for you. These artist panels are like the ultimate dream for any artist, whether you're a seasoned artist or enthusiastic beginner. First off, they lay flat, no warping, even with wet media. That means you can go wild with your watercolors without worrying. Their solid build ensures no bending, no bowing, and those rounded corners. Say goodbye to unwanted pokes and hello to thoughtful, artist-friendly design. The back of these panels is brushed aluminum, so not only can you create your masterpiece on the front, but you can also use the back as an extra surface to get creative on. Designed for artists on the go, these panels are your ideal travel companion for plein air painting or studio work, merging lightweight portability with uncompromising durability. And when you've put the final touch on your creation, framing is a breeze. Your art ready to be showcased, ready to tell its story. So whatever medium you're working with, Legion Paper's artist panels are a game changer. Once you try them, you'll never want to go back. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on these artist panels.